Yo, you guys, look at this eye that I did using the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. Yeah, you probably already done seen it a bunch of times. And I also used the Juvia's Place Magic palette. And basically, if you're liking it, this look is like giving me drag. It's giving me oomph. At first I just wanted to do a look with yellow and purple, and then I saw my Zulu palette and I was like, okay, that could work. But yeah, this is the eye. I'm not going to do the rest of my face. I really don't feel like it. But I'm just going to show you how I got this gorgeous eye. It's totally drag on this eye, and hopefully it'll all work out together. I'm going to do the eyebrow and all that good stuff. But yeah, this is beautiful. And if you like what you're seeing, just please subscribe, like, and comment, because it's bomb. And I have a couple more ideas that I want to do too. gonna look. And like I said, I'm not gonna do my face, but I just really wanted to do this eye. I've been thinking about it for a while now. This is it. And no, my lashes are not glued on either, but
I did it!
that's my son. But yeah, this is
Did it!
basically it. And I hope you liked it. Okay. And the lashes I use are Lily lashes in the style Vegas. They already had some prior glue up there. But yeah, I obviously don't feel like gluing on lashes because it's the evening time and I ain't got time for that. So yeah, this is the finished look. If you would like to see more videos using the Zulu palette or Juvia's Place palettes in all, because I literally have them all except for the new Warrior palette and the first Nubian, but I'm debating on getting them. I feel like neutral palettes aren't really my thing anymore except for work, and I have the Anastasia Soft Glam for that, and you know, other palettes that are totally new like the Morphe 302. So yeah, but who knows, maybe I'll pick it up tonight. Anyway, thank you guys. Please subscribe, like, and comment if you like what you see, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Goodbye.